Hi, this is Richard Quek here. Welcome to another session of my Facebook Live. In today's session, I would like to talk about network marketing, and the topic is changes are needed to survive in network marketing. Now, I'm sure a lot of people outside there are involved with network marketing. I'm sure some of you outside there are also involved in network marketing. All right, but the thing is I want to share with you is that we need to be able to change to survive in network marketing. All right, now I'm sure you're aware that everything changes with time. Do you agree with me? Everything changes with time, especially technology. All right, if you look at technology itself, previously, we were using snail mail, we were using telephone and so on, right? But today, with all the technology, you can use email, you can use text, you can use WhatsApp, you can use Telegram, Skype, and so on. So basically today, technology has changed the way we communicate as well. All right, so a lot of things need to be changed if we want to stay competitive. All right, now if you keep on doing the same thing, I'm sure you're going to get the same result. All right, same thing, you'll get the same result. Most people fear change. The truth is that a lot of people fear change. They rather die than change. All right, a lot of people do not want to change because change is very, very fearful, because they do not know what to expect from change. So they rather stay where they are to be safe. All right, but the truth is that if you want to be successful in life, you need to be able to change. All right, now the dinosaurs went extinct, all right, because they cannot adapt to change. So you will be like a dinosaur if you cannot adapt to change. Change is happening everywhere. All right, besides technology and so on, there are so many changes outside there. So the way we do network marketing also must change. All right, now in this competitive time, all right, especially now, you need to adapt to change, that's for sure. If you remain where you are, then you're going to be left far, far, far behind. We need to be able to change. All right, now what are the changes that are needed here? Let me explain to you. There are 4 points here that I'm talking about changes. All right, now number one, all right, is in terms of communication. All right, in terms of communication, just now I mentioned to you, previously it's all about snail mail, it's about fax and so on, right? But today, technology changes so fast that we can communicate in an instant. That's it. In an instant you can communicate. That's how fast it is today. So if you are still not using technology for your communication, then you are way, way behind. All right, you are way, way behind. So what are the things that you got to change in terms of communication? All right, now as you are aware, all right, people are using text, all right, text messages, all right, especially on Facebook now. You can text people through Messenger, all right, you can text people through Messenger. And for people who are more ambitious, Facebook has got what they call Messenger bot as well, whereby you can use Messenger bot, all right, to automate your messaging via Facebook. Okay, so Messenger bot is something that a lot of people are now beginning to make use of it, because unlike email, a lot of people don't open up the email and so on. So the open rate is very low, whereas for Messenger bot, right, the open rate is very high. All right, it's more than 80% open rate. All right, and delivery is 100%. Email, because of spam and so on, a lot of people, email will go into the junk, they won't receive and so on. But as far as Messenger bot, the messages are 100% deliverable. Okay, so it will be delivered 100% of the time. All right, now again, technology that people are using today. WhatsApp is something that a lot of people are using now. All right, you can even call people using WhatsApp. Not only texting, but you can call people, you can do a video call as well with WhatsApp. All right, besides WhatsApp, then you have also Skype. All right, Skype has been around for quite a long time. And then we have Telegram as well. All right, and for those people who are also using WeChat, especially for China market, right, they're using WeChat. All right, which is popular there. So basically, communication-wise, now it's so easy. You don't have to wait. You don't have to, wait for the message or communication to be delivered. It's instant, and then you get a response instant. That's why decision making can be very, very fast. Last time you want to make a decision, you got to wait for the communication to come and go and so on. But today it's instant. All right. So communication is very important, right? So if you are not using all this technology, then you should be asking yourself, why? Why are you not using it? In fact, it's not difficult at all, all right? It's not difficult at all. And these are things that you should be using for your network marketing business as well. All right, instead, let's say talk about WhatsApp, all right? WhatsApp, you can even start a group in WhatsApp. All right, and then you can send messages to people in the group, or you can even start your own broadcast. Your own broadcast whereby whatever you send, will be sent to all the people. They may not know each other, but to the group, all right? It's a broadcast list that you can do as well on WhatsApp or even Telegram for that matter. Okay, now that's the first thing, communication. The second thing that is important is presentation. Network marketing, you got to present. You got to show your business, your product to a lot of people, right? The more people you show the presentation to, the more successful you become. Now, the old ways of doing presentation is still relevant, no doubt. You have a face-to-face, you do in a hotel, or you do in a small little place at home or whatever. It's still relevant, but today, with the internet, especially now, all right, with the with the MCO in Malaysia and lockdown in other countries, we have to use online. You cannot do a hotel presentation, all right? You cannot do a house meeting. So you have to be smart now to be able to use technology, all right? So presentation, you can use webinar. There are a lot of webinar platform outside there, all right, whereby, you can pay on a monthly basis, or you can buy one time for it. Now, there are many webinar platforms. If you want to know more about it, well, you can make a search on Google, right? Now, the other thing is also, Google has got a Google Hangout, whereby you can use the Google Hangout. It's free, all right? The only problem with Google Hangout is that there is, lag, time lag, all right? It doesn't appear immediately, probably after a few seconds. So there's a time lag there. But, well, after all, it's free, right? Now, the other very, very popular one today is called Zoom. You can use Zoom as well. Zoom is free, all right? You can use it for free, but of course, there are some limitations there, but you can upgrade if you want to, and it's not that expensive, all right? If you want to do, this is a business. Remember, this is a business. So, using Zoom, or there are many outside there, even Skype, all right? And today, there are many competitors as well. All right, even Google is coming out with something like similar to Zoom. Even Facebook is coming out. Even there are other companies that are coming out, because Zoom is becoming very, very successful. A lot of people are trying to copy this, especially now with the lockdown, with the MCO in Malaysia. A lot of people are all at home. All right, so basically, using all these platforms is very, very important. Now, even I noticed, online, right? Previously, those top guru, all right, they are doing all on open hotel meeting and so on, all right? Today, all of them are also going to online using webinar platform, all right? So basically, this is very, very important. So you need to be able to change in terms of doing your presentation as well. Is that clear? You cannot be using the old way, one-to-one and so on. You can do a presentation, and when you do a Zoom presentation or online presentation, your prospect is not only for local, it can be overseas, anywhere in the world. All right, so basically you can widen the scope of your business as well. Okay, now that thing is marketing. Marketing is important. In whatever you do, marketing is important. You can have the best product, you can have the best program, but if you don't have the marketing, then you are dead. All right, you need to be able to market your program, your network marketing program as well. And when you talk about marketing, the traditional way of marketing is, of course, you make up a prospect list, and then you show the presentation to people. And today, marketing, you can use online to market your program and also your product online, all right? But whatever it is, you're going to drive traffic there. That means a lot of people are coming in to see your presentation, all right? But before that, you need to have a squeeze space, because you need to build a list, all right, to communicate with these people and gather trust with them. All right, so basically, you need to have a squeeze page. Like I said previously, don't use the company website. Create your own website to capture people's email address, so that you can communicate with them in the future and build trust and provide them with value, right? Have a squeeze page, and then after the squeeze page, once they fill in the detail, you send them to a thank you page. Probably you give them something in return for free, right? It's a lead magnet, all right? And then after that, you need to use an autoresponder, whereby it will automate your follow-up messages. Isn't it easy? All right, statistics show that you got to follow up at least 7 times before somebody can make a decision. So the autoresponder can have 7 messages or even more that you decide, and you write it in advance. Once you put in the autoresponder, and the day that you tell the autoresponder to send out, it will send out. 1 day, 2 days, or what, it will send out the message automatically. This is how business should be done. All right, so basically, if you want to follow up somebody 7 times, you got to make a phone call 7 times. Well, it's not easy, especially if you got a lot of prospect, right? Here, let the autoresponder do the job for you. Of course, there might be some cost there to get an autoresponder outside there, okay? So basically, you can send the follow-up messages or manually as well. Once these people are on your list, you can go in and type a message and send to all the people on your list in your autoresponder. You may have 1,000 people, you make one message, send, click send, and then it will go out to all the 1,000 people. Isn't it saving a lot of time? All right, that is what automation can do for you. In fact, if you are doing internet marketing, autoresponder is a must. Okay, there are many autoresponder out there. If you want my suggestion, do let me know. All right, send a message to me. All right, now the other thing is that prospecting wise, today is no more, 3 feet rule. Okay, talk to your friends, to your neighbors, to your relatives, and today you can use social media. All right, I always tell people, you do a prospect list, 200 names, let's say. The 200 names are the people that you know very well. All right, and they know that you have failed many times before. Okay, so it's not easy to talk to them. The other thing is that these 200 people on your list, they are not people who are, entrepreneurs, put this way. Network marketing is an entrepreneurship as well. So if they are not entrepreneur mindset and so on, they will not find it easy to adapt to the business, okay? And of course, once they run out of leads, then there's no profit, you cannot do anymore. But on social media, talk about Facebook alone, right? There are about 2.45 billion members on Facebook. 2.45 billion. Can you ever run out of prospect? You can't. The only thing, you got to learn how to do it properly. All right, you got to learn how to do it properly. All right. Now, if you are interested to find out, please go to this webinar which I have created for you. All right, go to the webinar. It's called www.dream, D-R-E-A-M, dreamwebinar.com. dreamwebinar.com. There you can register for an auto webinar whereby I talk about almost 1 hour, all right, on how to use Facebook and so on. So it's free, all right. If you're interested, go there and have a look. Okay. Now, the other thing is that prospecting to social media is very, very important. Not only Facebook. Okay, you have LinkedIn about 600 million, of course. Still a lot. 600 million. You have Instagram. You have YouTube, there's Pinterest, there's so many outside there. But just focus on a few, like Facebook will be good enough, all right? Now, that is marketing and prospecting. Number 4 is traffic. Now, you got a website, you got a squeeze page, all right? You got to bring people to see your website, all right? You got to bring traffic to your website. So that's very important. Getting traffic is very, very important. If you don't have traffic, then your website, there's no visitor, what's that? All right, nothing's going to happen. So you got to bring traffic. All right, like previously people say, you build a website, people will come. That's all BS actually, All right, like you put sugar on the table, the ants will come. Well, that's different, right? But here you have a website, nobody's going to come unless they know your website, and you got to consciously drive traffic to your website if you want to be successful. Okay, so let's talk about some of the free strategies, all right? There are free and they are paid, of course. Free means, you don't have to pay, but that's a lot of work. If you are willing to do the work, go ahead with the free one, all right? Now, free one would be what? You can post on Facebook groups, on fan pages, also on your profile page, postings and getting engagement, and so that's very important, okay? The other thing is that, you can also post on other social media like Instagram, like LinkedIn, and YouTube as well. Don't forget, you can create a video and upload it to YouTube, all right, and optimize on the keywords and on the text and the description and so on. Then you can get ranked there, and you get free traffic. That free means involve a lot of work, all right. I mean, for me personally, I do free as well, but I also pay for the traffic, which is very, very important. You need traffic, all right? That's so important. Now, the other thing is that, let's look at a paid one, okay? Paid one, of course, you got to pay for it, but then it is quite fast, all right? And let me share with you a few of the paid one. Number one is Facebook ad. Okay, you can advertise on Facebook ad. Facebook ad has got a platform for advertising, so you can advertise on Facebook. Alright, and then you can choose who your audience are and so on. And you can even use retargeting as well. Alright, so basically Facebook ad is quite good. A lot of people are successful using Facebook ad, but the only thing is that you must know what you're doing, because you're going to lose a lot of money. And not only that, Facebook is very, very strict. Alright, if your ad does not meet the guideline, they probably ban you as well. Okay, they will ban your advertisement account. They will shut it down. So basically, Facebook ad is one of them. Or you can go to Google. Google have got the Google ads as well. Pay per click, alright, whereby you pay on per click. Just like Facebook is per click basis. Or you can use solo ad. I'm using solo ad, which is very useful. Alright, you pay for solo ad. Okay, maybe you look for a vendor, Facebook, one solo ad who are involved. They have a list of people who are interested in making money online, alright, and so on. And you pay them 100 clicks, 200 clicks, whatever. It depends on the click, alright. Some of the clicks is about 40 cents per click. Some are cheaper. But then, it's not only the price, it's how good their list is, how responsive their list is, alright. Solo ad is basically you pay them, say 100 clicks, alright. You pay them for 100 clicks, maybe 40 cents, right? That means you pay them $40 for 100 clicks, alright. And once somebody click on your advertisement, on your link, you pay 40 cents. But what is important is not the click, the conversion. That means the opt-in. How many people will sign up into your email list? That's important. Alright, so basically, solo ad is very useful and it's very fast. It can be done instantly. But of course, I myself personally have got some bad experience as well, because some of the solo ad vendor, the conversion is very low. I don't know, the list may be, getting too much, too much email and so on. So basically, it may not be that effective. Now, the other thing that you can use is what people are doing now. They call native ads. Okay, native ad is like, you advertise on all the major media site, big site, like CNN, Los Angeles Times or whatever, those big media site. Okay, they have what you call your own page there with all the news and so on. You can advertise there. This is called native ad, alright. But you cannot go directly to CNN or New York Times or what, alright. It's going to be very expensive. But they tie up with what you call advertising platform, whereby this advertising platform will help you to put the ad there. So it could be just within the article itself, within the news and so on. Then there will be some ad there. Alright, and yours could appear there, and it's not that expensive, but you must know what you are doing. So this is what is called native ad. Alright, so this is very useful as well. Alright, now let's talk about strategy a little bit. Alright, now paying for ad is expensive, right? Paying for ad is expensive. So if you are the smart person, you must earn the money to pay for the ad. Are you with me? Alright, because paying for advertisement costs money. So you must earn money to pay for the advertisement. So this is what we call, you need to earn to finance the advertisement. This is called self-funded proposal. That means you are earning money, alright, to get the money to pay for your advertisement. Isn't that smart? Alright, not only you pay for the advertisement, you are earning the money to pay for the advertisement, you are building a list as well. And also, probably you are getting some sale as well. Alright, some commission and so on for it. Alright, so you need to earn to finance your advertisement. That's the smart move, right? Or else, how much money can you keep on spending on advertising, alright? Especially for network marketing. You are not selling anything, and you're hoping people will buy the product and also join your program, which you don't earn money immediately, alright? So we want to earn money immediately to finance your advertisement, alright? So how do you do that? There are a few ways. Number one, you can start an affiliate program, alright? Join an affiliate program and then promote for other people, and then you earn a commission between maybe 50 to 75%, alright? So basically that will be money coming in as well to fund your advertisement, alright? Or there are online programs outside there as well. You join online programs, they work like MLM as well, but basically they are more into earning money, alright, so that you can fund your advertisement for your network marketing program. Okay, there are online programs that I won't mention any name here, but if you want, you can go and check on Google. Okay, or if you are the adventurous type, you buy some PLR product, private label rights product. Alright, those private label right product give you the right to the product. You can change and put your name there as well. Alright, and they probably give you the video. They also give you the they give you the video, the sales copy, the website copy, and so on, everything. So you can sell. All right. So you have to sell. All right. And you advertise, of course. You need to advertise, but you advertise. Let's say, okay, you advertise $100. All right. You advertise for $100, and if you earn $150, that's $50 profit. Is that true or not? $50 profit. That's how the $50 profit can help you to fund for your advertisement. Okay, if you keep on doing that, basically you can build up a sizable amount of income or commission from this self-funded proposal, whereby you can help to advertise. That means you're advertising your network marketing program for free. All right, rather than taking money out of your pocket. You are earning money by promoting affiliate program, by joining some sort of online program, or even getting your own products. All right, although this product are PLR product, but there are some good product as well. You can call them your product. You have changed the name, put yourself as the developer or the owner or the author or whatever it is, depending on what sort of product, and then you can sell it. Okay, sell it and earn the money to help you to fund your advertisement. I hope you understand here. This is a very good strategy, because it is really stupid to be spending money on advertising your network marketing program, right? You need to be having money to come in to help you to fund the advertisement. That should be the better way, all right? But of course, it takes some work as well. But it can be done. It can be done. For those people who are unsure or want to know more about it, then you can message me. All right, I share with you a little bit of tips and ideas on how to do it. Okay, so that's all my sharing for today. I hope that you learned something. Let me summarize for you. All right, changes are needed to survive in network marketing. Is it true? You need to change. All right, you want to survive in network marketing. If you are doing the conventional way, the traditional way, you're bound to fail. All right, and everything have to change. Number one, what do you need to change? Communication. Use technology, all right? Number two, your presentation as well. You got to use technology. Number three, your marketing, all right? You got to have squeeze pages using autoresponder and so on, all right? And lastly, you need to drive traffic, all right? You need to drive traffic to your squeeze page or your website, okay? And for goodness sake, have your own website. Don't use the company website, all right? Because when you create your own website, you can, you can build a list there, okay? And lastly, what's important is you got to earn commission or earn money to fund your advertising for your network marketing program. Okay? So I hope that you learned something here. I appreciate your time that you spend with me here. I try to give value to you. I hope that today's session, especially for those who are in network marketing or those who intend to go into the network marketing, I give you an idea about how to do it more effectively. Okay? Because I believe network marketing is one of the best business model outside there. All right, but the thing is that a lot of people are not doing it correctly. Okay, not doing it correctly. So, once again, I thank you for your time that you spend with me here. If you like what you hear and see, please feel free to like, to share, and to comment. Now, please, for goodness sake, social media is about engagement. So please comment. All right, put some comment. Just put whatever emoji or whatever. I will be grateful for that. All right, because a lot of time I see that it's blank, nothing. Do your part as well. All right, I spend my time to do my part. You spend your time to put some engagement as well. So do like, share, and comment. Okay. So this is Richard Quek here from Malaysia, wishing you good night and goodbye.